Welcome to our complete tutorial on TD Ameritrade. Today, we'll explore all the tools and features available to you. Let's start with the account setup process. First, visit the TD Ameritrade website and click on Open New Account. Once your account is set up, you'll land on the dashboard. Here's how to navigate it effectively. Now, let's dive into the thinkorswim platform, a powerful tool designed for serious traders. The charting tools offer various indicators and features that help in making data-driven trading decisions. Understanding order types is crucial. We have market orders, limit orders, stop orders, and others. TD Ameritrade provides extensive research and educational resources to empower traders at every level. With the TD Ameritrade app, trading on the go is seamless. Let's explore the main features. Risk management is a key aspect of trading. Explore the tools and strategies available to minimize risk. In conclusion, maximizing your trading experience on TD Ameritrade requires understanding its multitude of features. Here are a few tips.